So in terms of design, we know that you are investing huge amounts of money and time in each individual crop. And so we need to anticipate any problems that you're going to have, and that's where our experience is really going to help you out.
So when we design a facility, we make sure that we're designing it with the equipment maintenance in mind. We don't try to hide away any piece of equipment like dehues or having your air intake in an inoperable place. We want everybody to, once a run, check on all your equipment. Make sure your P-trap isn't clogged in your dehue. Make sure your filter on your AC handler is clean and you're actually getting your proper airflow. All of these maintenance things will help you remove problems that will happen if you don't check on anything. So when I think of things, I think about what you have to do on a daily basis for that growth to succeed and to hit your 2 alight or even 3 alight quotas that you have to hit these days in order to keep the lights on. It's expensive. So when we design your facility from the ground up, it's super important to consider the work that you're going to be doing and the work that the staff needs to accomplish on a weekly schedule. So when we design your rows, we try to tend to give you a little more space. 2 feet is optimal. So you guys can get in there to de-leaf. You can also get in there to spray the facility down quickly and effectively so you can mitigate all of those problems that arise when you miss spots when you're doing your pesticide management.
So we can work directly with your grower and your owner. We'll keep them working together. We can work with all different grow styles. We'll design specifically for the lighting that you guys are looking for, as well as for your nutrients, whatever specific media that you're using, and then also design IPM for you guys.
We can help you communicate better between the general contractor, the grower, and the owner of the building, trying to keep everybody on the same page, because a lot of construction terminology doesn't work well in the cultivation of facilities. So we have the experience to bring in the grower's point of view and even the manager's point of view of what is needed in the facility. For example, if you need to do work for cloning and that, and you don't have the proper stainless steel benches, you tend to use these cheap plastic ones. Those plastic ones always end up getting bacteria. They're very hard to clean. So you want to avoid picking the wrong source of material altogether and going with something that's commercially viable that can withstand being cleaned with high disinfectants all the time to get you a consistency that you're looking for on a commercial scale.